Ever wished for a more stable and comfortable ride through your neighborhood or local park? Or maybe you've thought about a fun and efficient way to run errands without the hassle of balancing on two wheels. Adult Tricycles offer a perfect blend of stability and ease, making them a great option for leisurely rides or quick trips to the store. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best adult tricycles available, designed to bring a new level of enjoyment and practicality to your daily adventures. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 7 best adult tricycles to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Now let's get right into our top picks. Number 7. Slsy Adult Folding Tricycle. The Slsy Folding Adult Tricycle is an excellent option for those seeking a portable and affordable 3-wheel trike. As the demand for foldable tricycles rises each year, their benefits over regular bikes become increasingly apparent, especially given their larger size and weight. The Slsy tricycle offers numerous standout features. Its saddle, equipped with a backrest, ensures a comfortable ride, while its 320-pound carrying capacity makes it versatile for various needs. The tricycle's central hinge allows it to fold away quickly and easily, enhancing its convenience for storage and transport. Additionally, the Slsy comes with a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, making it perfect for navigating hilly terrain or riding at a preferred pace. A rear basket provides ample space for groceries or other luggage, and the tricycle is available with 20-inch, 24-inch, or 26-inch wheels to suit different preferences. Its steel frame ensures durability and strength, making it a robust choice for long-term use. Overall, the Slsy 7-speed tricycle offers exceptional value for money. Its combination of comfort, practicality, and durability makes it a top recommendation for anyone in need of a reliable and foldable 3-wheel bike. Number 6. Viribus Electric Trike. The Viribus 3 electric tricycle is the perfect solution for those looking to get back on the road and start pedaling again. Powered by a 250-watt front hub motor, this 3-wheeled machine assists you up to 15.5 miles per hour. The 36-volt, 10.4 ampere-hour battery, while not the largest, provides a solid 20-mile range as claimed by Viribus. This electric tricycle is ideal for quick trips to the store or leisurely rides around town. The battery is conveniently positioned behind the seat tube, allowing easy access to the bike's step-through frame. Additionally, the Viribus tricycle features a large rear basket, perfect for carrying groceries, personal items, or anything else you need. The tricycle offers 3 modes of operation: manual, for when you want to pedal yourself; hybrid, for some assistance; and full power, where the motor does the work for you. Overall, the Viribus 3 electric tricycle is all you need for cruising around town, getting some exercise, completing errands, and grocery shopping. Its combination of electric assistance, practicality, and convenience makes it an excellent choice for adult riders. Number 5. Schwinn Meridian. Schwinn, one of the oldest and most popular manufacturers of leisure bicycles, also makes tricycles. The Schwinn Meridian is a robust steel trike designed to endure heavy use. Its step-through frame ensures easy access, and the adjustable handlebar allows for a personalized fit. The Meridian offers various gearing options, making it suitable for different terrains and rider profiles. If you live in a flat area, the single-speed model might suffice, but for hilly regions, the 3-gear or 7-gear models are available. The trike is equipped with strong front and rear brakes, and comes with front and rear fenders. Its large rear basket can carry a pet or your weekly groceries. Available in multiple colors, the Schwinn Meridian fits riders between 5 foot 4 inches and 6 foot 2. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking a versatile, attractive, and affordable tricycle. Number 4. Lectric XP Trike. For those on a budget, the Lectric XP Trike offers excellent features and value. As a leader in the electric bike industry, Lectric e-Bikes has made the XP Trike both affordable and high quality, priced at around $1,500. This makes it the most budget-friendly option on our best e-trikes list. The XP Trike features a unique and cost-effective drivetrain with a 500-watt hub motor mounted behind the pedal crank, driving a short chain connected to the differential. This design ensures balanced turns by slowing down the inside wheel, providing a stable ride without the high costs of mid-drive motor systems. The XP Trike fits riders from 5 foot 4 inches to 6 foot 1 and boasts a folding frame, reducing its size to 38.5 inches long by 30.5 inches wide by 30 inches high for easy storage. It can carry a maximum weight of 415 pounds, including up to 325 pounds for the rider, 35 pounds in the front basket, and 75 pounds in the rear basket. Safety is a priority, with a default mode limiting the top speed to 5 miles per hour for new riders. This trike's affordability and dependable performance make it a top choice for anyone looking to enjoy electric tricycle riding. Number 3. Rad Power Bikes RadTrike. Rad Power Bikes is a prominent name in the electric bike industry, and their first trike, the RadTrike, showcases their expertise. The RadTrike features smaller 18-inch wheels and a front hub motor, making it easy to step on and off this low-sitting bike. Its lightweight frame ensures effortless maneuverability. The 750-watt front hub motor delivers up to 85 Newton-meters of torque, enabling it to carry heavy loads and tackle steep hills. With a weight capacity of 325 pounds for the rider, 60 pounds for the rear basket, and 30 pounds for the front basket, the RadTrike boasts a total payload capacity of 415 pounds. The trike's rear wheelbase is optimized for stability, while the smaller tire size lowers the center of gravity for better balance. Additionally, the fold-down handlebar enhances transport and storage convenience. The 10 ampere-hour, 480 watt-hour battery provides a range of up to 58 miles on a single charge. The RadTrike's braking system includes a mechanical front disc brake with a 180mm rotor and a rear coaster brake, ensuring reliable stopping power. The single-speed drivetrain simplifies operation, and the top speed is capped at 14 miles per hour for safety. Rad Power Bikes offers 3 different kits to customize the rack/basket combination according to your needs. Although it may not be as affordable as the XP Trike, the RadTrike offers a solid and refined feel. It remains less expensive than most electric trikes on the market, making it a top value option. Number 2. AddMotor CITYTRI E310. The AddMotor CITYTRI E310 is an impressive electric trike, notable for its powerful 750-watt rear axle motor and substantial 960 watt-hour battery. This trike stands out with exceptional build quality, designed to handle a top speed of 20 miles per hour, ensuring a stable and secure ride. Unique among e-trikes, the CITYTRI E310 offers 3 different tire sizes to accommodate various rider preferences and needs. This feature enhances its versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The CITYTRI E310 is a top contender in the electric trike market. Its combination of power, durability, and customizable tire options make it an excellent choice for those seeking a high-performance electric trike. This model is highly recommended for its superior design and functionality. Number 1. Sixthreezero Easy Transit 750-watt folding electric trike. The Easy Transit 750-watt folding electric trike is designed for easy mobility, weight hauling, and hill climbing. With a weight of just 73 pounds without the battery, it's one of the lighter transportable trikes available. Its folding frame and collapsible stem reduce its size, making it highly portable. The 750-watt front hub motor gives the Easy Transit impressive climbing capabilities, excelling in uphill performance during tests. It has a weight capacity of up to 350 pounds, ensuring it can handle a full load with ease. The trike's 16-inch wheels keep the center of gravity and standover weight low at 13.5 inches, providing a stable and accessible ride, ideal for riders with limited mobility. Additional features include a 7-speed drivetrain, reverse throttle for easy maneuvering, and a wide height range accommodating riders from 4'6" to 6'5". With a slightly higher speed limit of 16 miles per hour, the Easy Transit combines climbing ability, portability, and stability, making it a great choice for diverse riders. So picture yourself cruising down your favorite paths, enjoying the scenery without the worry of balance. Maybe you found a new way to fetch groceries, blending exercise with practicality. However, getting the best adult tricycles is quite challenging, when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which products suit you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. We hope this guide has inspired you to consider how an adult tricycle can fit into your lifestyle, offering both fun and convenience. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.